So most people don't fail because they are not talented. They fail because they don't think big. Now there's a book. The name of the book is The Magic of Thinking Big. And here are 5 lessons which I have learned from this book, which has helped me a lot and which no one will teach you. The first lesson from this book is believe it can be done. Yes, if you believe that it is possible, then only your mind will get ideas to do it. Crazy, right? But if you're not believing it, if you think negatively about that no, I cannot do that or it's not possible, then you will get ideas like that why it's not possible. That's the thing. Believe it can be done and it will be done. You will get ideas to how to do it and then you will do it gradually. But first you have to believe that yes, it can be done. The second lesson which I have learned from this book is stop giving excuses. Daily life may, for each and everything, we give excuses. That no, it is not, I don't have mood right now. Mom told me this thing or this thing came up. That's the reason I'm not doing it. But honestly, if you will ask yourself, is that the reason that you didn't do it? No, right? So if you will stop giving excuses and start doing the thing, then it will be a lot easier for you. The third lesson which I have learned from this book is action cures fear. Correct. Action cures fear. And this part hit me really hard. Fear of doing anything, fear of recording yourself on video, the fear of posting the video, the fear of telling someone which you're thinking a lot but not able to tell, but you don't have the guts to tell. Taking that first step. Only action can change it. Once you do the thing, once you take the action, then you will realize that it was not that big thing and you will gradually, then the fear will come down only by action. The fourth thing which I have learned from this book is set clear goals. If you don't know where you're going, then you will end up nowhere. Listen to it again. If you don't know where you are going, you will end up nowhere. Point A से point B को जाने के लिए point B ही नहीं होगा, then how you will reach the point B? So set specific clear goals that I want to achieve 100k followers by the end of the year in 2026 or whatever might be your goals. I want to earn this much money. If you will set clear goals, then only you will achieve the goals. But if you don't have any goals in life, then you will end up nowhere, my friend. And the last and the most important lesson which I have learned from this book is protect yourself from negativity. Now, what is, you will say, how I can protect myself from negativity? The only example of this is look around yourself. You are the sum of 5 people whom you spend time with. Now, observe that every day, throughout the day, what they are saying. Are they using negative statements like no yaar mere se nahi ho raha, this is not possible, this is difficult? And on the other hand, observe the people who are saying that it is difficult but it is possible, it can be done and it will be done. These are the peoples you should stay with, and the other side of people who talking negative, you should avoid them, because the ideas which they have, automatically you will get the same ideas or conceptions in your life without you even realizing about that. So avoid negative peoples, it will help you a lot. So these are the 5 important lessons which I have learned from this book, which you should not miss. So this book taught me that I can achieve anything if I'm thinking for it. If I have clear goals, yes, it is possible. If you like this video, if you have learned anything from this video, like, share and comment, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you so much.